Okay, what's up, Govee fam? We're out here in Parkside again, Georgetown, Texas. You're gonna be seeing a lot of those. We got a lot of jobs in the same neighborhood this year, starting out early. However, we do service all of Central Texas. So anyway, there's not a lot different on this one, other than that the entire home is 2-story. So all of the work has to be done on the 28 foot ladder. And there is some nuance in the attic. Here you can take a look where our progress is now, and then I'll update you on the attic and the finished product as soon as we get there. Okay, so here's the home. The whole thing is all 2-story. As you can see, this is another fence to fence situation. I'll move back. He only wanted to do the front, which is great, but this gives you an idea. You can see here, fence, and here's our progress so far. And we finished this one up, and I'll kind of explain what our one issue was here on this, but here you go, and check this out. So again, this one is fence to fence. There's our fence line there. So in this one, we, being that everything's 2-story, we did the power in the attic. You can see, it looks like there. Super nice, clean look. It's gonna look great. I'll give you guys a shot as it gets darker from as I head home for the night. But what we ran into, the issue we ran into is, so in this attic, it had blown in insulation. So all of the exterior of the attic had like 6 to 12, maybe even 18 inches of insulation in the way, and so made it very difficult even trying to run installer fiberglass poles through and everything. So we ended up going the traditional way, which is still to do the jumps exterior, but we make them look nice and clean and hide them as much as possible where they're not that noticeable. They certainly don't do the wrap around the fascia, so you can see how we do that here. So you can see, so like here we go, and if we zoom in, that's our one little jump there. Still very clean. It's all installed nice and neat, and so nothing too exciting on this bout of the installer series. We'll see if we can get you something a little more creative next time, but thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay up to date with all my installs this season, and hopefully I can help you if you're doing DIY and other installers coming into the business. So anyway, y'all have a good one.